Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, open Guildhall CRK and confirm you have emoji posting permission, because without it you cannot proceed. Next, find the chat input and the emoji picker. This is where you will place the laughing emoji. Choose the laughing emoji variant that fits tone and size, and note any cooldown or roll restrictions. Once done, type your message context first, then insert the emoji. This ensures meaning. Make sure to keep a millisecond between taps to avoid. Now you focus on execution. Use the laughing emoji to emphasize punchlines or to soften critical feedback, because tone matters in written chat. Once inserted, pair it with concise text so others read intent correctly. For example, follow a short sentence with the emoji to signal humor. If you need multiple reactions, space them out to respect cooldowns and prevent spam. Make sure to check channel rules and role limits, and adjust frequency to keep the chat friendly and readable. Finish by reviewing your message. Read it aloud in your head to ensure the laughing emoji conveys the right tone. Edit if it seems harsh or confusing. If the emoji fails to post, first check your permissions, then clear the app cache and confirm the server status. Once done, re-log in and retest. This simple sequence resolves most issues. If problems persist, report the behavior to a moderator with a screenshot and exact steps so they can reproduce and fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.